Hi, allesammen. Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about how to say good luck in Norwegian the right way. Learning how to say good luck in Norwegian will be useful if you wish to visit Norway or communicate better with Norwegians. Numerous expressions may be used to wish someone good luck in Norwegian. You can use a more professional or casual phrase, or one that is more passionate or intimate, depending on the occasion and your connection with the individual you are talking with. No matter what expression you use, knowing how to say good luck in Norwegian helps you connect with the culture and express kindness towards other people. Lykke til, lykke til, lykke til is a Norwegian term used to wish someone luck. It's a brief and straightforward sentence that can be used before an exam, a job interview, a sporting event, or any other scenario where someone could use a little luck. Lykke, lykke, lykke means luck, and til, til means two or two words. Thus, lykke til, lykke til, lykke til may be loosely translated as good luck to someone. It's a common and friendly expression in Norwegian. It's considerate and kind to say that to someone about to do something significant or challenging. Ønsker deg hell og lykke. Ønsker deg hell og lykke. Ønsker deg hell og lykke is another expression that means wishing you luck. And it's also another way, polite way to wish someone good luck. The expression måtte alt gå bra, måtte alt gå bra, måtte alt gå bra translates to may everything go well, and this is a broad approach to wishing someone good luck or success in any activity. Gå for det, gå for det, gå for det is a casual way of wishing someone good luck. It means go for it, or you can do it, and is often used to motivate someone before a difficult task or situation. Jeg krysser fingrene for deg. Jeg krysser fingrene for deg. Jeg krysser fingrene for deg means I'm crossing my fingers for you. And it's another way of saying I'm wishing for the best for you in Norwegian. In Norwegian, there are several methods to wish someone good luck. Whether you say lykke til, lykke til, lykke til, which is more common, or one of the other phrases above, it is always kind and appreciated to wish someone well before an important event or task. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,